Some people shine like fireworks. Some burn slow enough to light somebody else's road. Slow burn saints, so burn slow enough to light somebody else's road. Headlights cutting through another county line, moon hanging low like it's buying me more time. Coffee in the console, dust upon the dash, still carrying memories I thought would never last. Saw an old man laughing outside the corner store, didn't have much money, still somehow he had more. We own. Sometimes it's the peace you carry home alone. Some flames don't burn that bright, they just keep people warm at night. With slow burn saints trying to find the light, holding on to hope through another lonely night. Banjo keeps rolling, steel guitar cries, saxophone keeps whispering, heaven hears our lives. Slow burn saints still standing in the rain, some fires never fade, they just learn a different flame. Another church, standing all alone, cross leaning sideways like it's weathered every storm. Maybe we're like bent but standing still, learning how to climb every broken hill. Everybody's fighting battles they don't say, some smile through the darkness just to help another day. Maybe being strong ain't never making noise, maybe it's choosing peace when the world destroys. The night's beginning to breathe, and so am I. Trying to find the light, holding on to hope through another lonely night. Banjo keeps rolling, steel guitar cries, saxophone keeps whispering, heaven hears our lives. Slow burn saints still standing in the rain, some fires never fade, they just different flame. Maybe changing the world starts with helping one person cross one bridge, drive one more mile, keep one more promise. We're slow burn saints, still chasing sunrise skies. Every road behind us made us realize the brightest souls ain't always easy to see. road.